The United States Constitution guarantees everyone due process of law and equal protection under the law. Under the Due Process Clause, fundamental rights of all of us, as U.S. citizens, cannot be taken away. The Supreme Court of the United States has repeatedly held that the right to marry is a fundamental right. What California has done is denied some people the right to be married and selected people who, because of their sexual orientation, to deny them that right to be married. We think, and we believe the courts will agree, that that prohibition violates the Equal Protection Clause and the Due Process Clause. The individuals that we represent, and tens of thousands like them throughout this country, are the same as the rest of us. They have the same desires, the same aspirations, the same needs. They want to be respected equally. The argument that some of our opponents make, and the proponents of Proposition 8 made, is that marriage must be restricted to opposite-sex couples, heterosexual couples, and that somehow allowing same-sex couples to be married would diminish that traditional marriage. The experts tell us that what's important is a loving relationship in the home. That's what makes for good parenting. We don't have a test of whether you're going to be a good parent to allow people to get married. And the evidence, which will come out during this trial, is that what matters is a loving relationship in the home. 2 of my clients have 4 children, 4 loving children. They could not ask for better parents. So the argument that you have to be of an opposite sex to be a good parent or good parents is just not true. Those people who have said that we're pushing the Constitution too far, I don't think have read the Constitution. The Constitution guarantees that people will be treated equally in this country. We have in California some people that can get married if they're in love with their partner and some people that can't. We have told people in this country, and we better believe it, that if you are being discriminated against, if your constitutional rights are being taken away from you, what should you do? You should go to court. We hope that it does go to the United States Supreme Court, and the United States Supreme Court vindicates the rights of same-sex persons to have the same kind of loving relationship that we allow to other people.